Let's learn about the recumbent bike. A recumbent bike is a type of stationary bicycle designed with a reclined seat and backrest. Riders sit back with their legs extended in front of them to pedal. This unique design reduces strain on the back and provides a more comfortable experience compared to the upright bike, another stationary bicycle you may find at your Planet Fitness. The reduced strain on the back makes this machine an ideal choice for those who are experiencing back issues. The recumbent bike primarily targets muscles in the lower body, which include the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, and offers a low-impact cardiovascular workout. The bike consists of a seat, a backrest, handlebars in the side, handlebars in the front, pedals, and a display. To use this machine, adjust the seat by pulling the lever and setting it to a position where your legs can extend without the knees locking out fully when the pedal is at its furthest point. Sit comfortably on the seat with your back against the backrest. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your hands on the handlebars to your side. If you want to hold the handlebars in front of you, slightly lean forward. Pedal in a smooth and controlled manner. You can make the workout more or less challenging by adjusting the resistance level on the display using the up and down arrows. The higher the resistance level, the harder it is to pedal, and the less resistance, the easier it is. The display shows you your RPMs, which are your pedal stroke revolutions per minute. The faster you pedal, the higher your RPMs will be. It also displays your watts, which is your power output and can be used to quantify the intensity at which you're working. At higher watts, you're outputting more effort and energy and burning more calories. A high RPM at a low resistance won't generate as many watts as a high RPM at a high resistance. So if you're trying to make your workout more challenging, aim for a moderate to high resistance and pedal at a moderate to high RPM. On the display, you'll also see your calories burned, distance traveled, and duration. Some workouts you can perform on the recumbent bike include steady state cardio, where you maintain a steady pace at a moderate resistance level for 30 minutes or longer. Interval training, in which you alternate between high intensity segments for 1 minute and low intensity segments for 2 minutes, for a total of 30 minutes. If you want to engage your core muscles more, you might want to check out the upright bike, which I go over in the video on the right. Thanks for watching.